How to download the Mp3Juice app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Mp3Juice app. Now, the Mp3Juice app is a really cool app where you can download different MP3s. So let us begin. So the first step is head over to your app store and then simply search for Mp3Juice. After you search for Mp3Juice, simply hit enter and the app should come up. Now, this app is also available in your Google Play Store, so this works for Android as well. Now, after you find the Mp3Juice app, you can simply tap on the get option. So after you tap on get and then install, your Mp3Juice app will start getting installed. And yeah, after it installs, you can use it, and that is basically it. That is how you can download Mp3Juice app. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more.